Hi, welcome. So, one question which I get very often is how do we know that we are living in gratitude or we are not living in gratitude? Now, if you are a person who is also curious to know more about gratitude and happiness, then this video is for you. My name is Sandeep Mukherjee. I'm a gratitude happiness coach and I'm on a mission to reach to 1 lakh people and make a difference in their life through gratitude and happiness. So, as I said, the common question which I often get is how do we know whether we are living in gratitude or we are not living in gratitude? The answer is very simple. Are you operating from the mindset of complaint or competition, or you are operating from the mindset of creation? Okay. Whenever you are focusing more on complaint, whenever you are focusing on scarcity in your life, when you are thinking about money, when you're thinking about your business, about your opportunities, and you think that you don't have much, okay, that means you are operating from the scarcity mindset. When you are focusing on things which you don't have, that means you are operating from the ingratitude, that is not in gratitude. Okay, that is you are operating from the mindset of complaint. Whenever you are focusing on comparing yourself with others and then you are thinking that that person is better than you are not operating from gratitude mindset. Whenever you are competing with somebody with the interest to put somebody down, you are not operating from the mindset of gratitude. So, what is exactly gratitude mindset? Now, it's very simple again. Whenever you are focusing on what you have, whenever you are appreciating what you have got, whenever you're feeling the abundance in your life, you are operating from the space of gratitude. People who focus on gratitude or people who are operating from the gratitude mindset, they are always and always focused on what they have rather than focusing on what they don't have. They are focused on the abundance in their life. Okay, if you are a person who believes that there is no scarcity in this world, if you are a person who believes that everybody will get what they are destined to as per the efforts they will take, okay, then you are operating from the space of gratitude mind, because you know that you don't have to compete with anybody. What you have to do is create. The more you focus on creation, the more it will grow. So you know for a fact that your results will be the outcome of the hard work you put. So this is how you have to understand. So whenever you are complaining about something or somebody, stop yourself and ask, are you operating from the scarcity mindset or the abundance mindset? Or are you operating from the ingratitude, that is complaint mindset, or you operating from the gratitude? If you like this video, do share it with your friends and family members and remind them they don't have to operate from the scarcity mindset, they have to operate from the mindset of abundance. My name is Sandeep Mukherjee. I'm signing off right now and I will see you in the next video.